So now it's time to map our data values to our elements in our workspace. So if I go into dynamic DPA, then this one called new data source was the one we showed how you upload your data source into Zuuvi. So if I say select source, then you can see all of the things we mapped in the first step. Then if I go into my workspace, for example, a product title, I highlight it, I go into this module all the way to the right, and then I say title. Then you'll be able to see like a slight yellow square around it, meaning that now it's connected to that value. Same with price. If I go down here and I say I want this to be pricing, with images you have to go into your right hand menu and then under data source field choose image. And now that that's all connected, I'll be able to go into dynamic over here, press on the eye, and then I'll be able to see how all of my pictures and text fits. And then you can just go through them all. So yeah, that's how you connect your data source to your elements in your workspace.